नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी प्राध्यापक पी.बी. गोळे, मराठा विद्याप्रसारक समाजाचे गुरुवर्य मामासाहेब दांडेकर कला भगवंतराव वाजे वाणिज्य आणि विज्ञान महाविद्यालय सिन्नर, ॲडव्हान्स अकाउंटिंग अँड टॅक्सेशन, M.Com सेकंड सेमिस्टर 3 चॅप्टर 1. मागील लेक्चरमध्ये आपण व्हेरिफिकेशन अँड व्हॅल्युएशन ऑफ फिक्स असेट याचा अभ्यास केला होता. त्याचबरोबर प्रॉब्लेम इन व्हॅल्युएशन याचा देखील अभ्यास केला होता. या लेक्चरमध्ये व्हेरिफिकेशन ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट याचा आपण अभ्यास करणार आहोत. द ऑडिटर शुड द फॉलोइंग फॉर व्हेरिफिकेशन ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. ऑडिटर जो आहे इन्व्हेस्टमेंटचं व्हेरिफिकेशन करत असताना खालील बाबींची तपासणी करू शकतो. फर्स्ट आहे चेकिंग ऑफ शेड्यूल. द ऑडिटर शुड चेक द शेड्यूल ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट in there are a large number of investment, as in the case of bank and insurance companies. The schedule should disclose full particular of the investment, example, name of the investment, the cost price, the market price, book value, date on which the investment was acquired, rate of interest payable, and the date of the payment of interest, tax deducted, and so and compare this with the record in the books of his client. चेकिंग ऑफ शेड्यूलमध्ये ऑडिटर जो असतो हा विभिन्न प्रकारच्या ज्या इन्व्हेस्टमेंट असतात, विशेषतः बँक आणि इन्शुरन्स कंपनीमध्ये, त्या प्रत्येक जी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आहे तिचे विशिष्ट जे पर्टिक्युलर आहे हे चेक करत असतो. यामध्ये ते इन्व्हेस्टमेंटचं नाव असेल, त्याची कॉस्ट प्राईज, मार्केट प्राईज, बुक व्हॅल्यू, डेट ऑफ ॲक्वायर्ड, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पेबल, डेट ऑफ पेमेंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, टॅक्स डिडक्टेड, अँड सो कम्पेअर दिस विथ द रेकॉर्ड इन द बुक्स ऑफ हिज क्लायंट. आणि बुक ऑफ रेकॉर्डबरोबर त्याची तपासणी देखील करत असतो. सेकंड, चेकिंग ऑफ ट्रान्सफर डीड. The transfer deed is good evidence in the case of purchase of stock and share of which no certificate has been issued till the date of verification. The receipts for the application money or the allotment letter should be examined when new share have been applied for. यामध्ये स्टॉक आणि शेअर्स यांच्या बाबतीमध्ये ज्या काही ट्रान्सफर डीड असतात यामध्ये चेक केले जातात. विशेषतः सर्टिफिकेट जर इश्यूड झालं नसेल डेट ऑफ व्हेरिफिकेशनला, तर यामध्ये ॲप्लिकेशन मनी, अलॉटमेंट लेटर जे असतात हे चेक करून सर्टिफिकेट जे आहे किंवा शेअर, स्टॉक आणि शेअर्स आहे याची माहिती यामध्ये घेतली जाते. कम्पॅरिझन ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट विथ शेड्यूल. The auditor should compare all the investment with the schedule. If the number of investment is large and they cannot be inspected at one sitting, the investment which have been checked must be looked and selected in a box so that they may not produce again at the time of the next inspection. The auditor should retain the key and the sale. कम्पॅरिझन ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट विथ शेड्यूलमध्ये ऑडिटर जो आहे हा जर नंबर ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट जर जास्त असतील तर यामध्ये एक विशिष्ट शेड्यूलची इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आहे ही त्या ठिकाणी इन्स्पेक्शन करतो आणि त्यावरून इतर जे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट असतील याचा अंदाज त्याला लावता येतो. एक्झामिनेशन ऑफ ट्रस्ट डीड. इफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आर हेल्ड बाय द ट्रस्टी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द कंपनी, the trust deed should be examined. If trust deed is not available, the auditor should get a certificate from the trustee that the latter hold those security in trust and that they are free from any charge and are in favor of the nominee or any other person. Further, the auditor should advise his client that a trust deed should be obtained as soon as possible. यामध्ये काही ट्रस्टच्या काही डीड्स असतील, यामध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट हेल्ड बाय ट्रस्टी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द कंपनी, द ट्रस्ट डीड शुड बी एक्झामाइन्ड ट्रस्टींनी जर काही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट कंपनीमध्ये केलेलं असतील तर त्याचं देखील एक्झामिनेशन केलं जातं. इफ ट्रस्ट डीड इज नॉट अवेलेबल, द ऑडिटर शुड गेट सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम ट्रस्टी that the letter holder security in trust and that they are free from any charge and in a favor the nominee of any other person. Further, the auditor should advise his client that a trustee deed should be obtained as soon as possible. Next one, fifth, checking of securities with bank. If the security have been entrusted to a bank, the auditor should get a certificate from the bank about the number of securities held by it for safe custody and to check that they are free from any charge of the securities. The auditor must examine the date of certificate and find out whether it is useful to deposit such security with such companies for safe custody. चेकिंग ऑफ सिक्युरिटी विथ बँक. बँकेमध्ये ज्या विभिन्न प्रकारच्या सिक्युरिटीज असतात याचं देखील यामध्ये चेक केलं जातं. यामध्ये इफ सिक्युरिटी हॅव बीन इंटरेस्टेड टू अ बँक, द ऑडिटर शुड बी गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम द बँक अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ सिक्युरिटी हेल्ड बाय इट फॉर सेफ कस्टडी. सेल्फ कस्टडीमध्ये नंबर ऑफ सिक्युरिटीज असतात and check to that are free from any charge of the securities. The auditor must examine the date of certificate and find out whether it is legal to deposit such securities with such companies for safe custody. Next one, 6. Checking of custody of secretary. Sometimes some securities are kept in the custody of the secretary of the company. The auditor should ensure that they are held by him jointly with some other official of the company. These securities should be registered in the name of the company as is required by Section 49 of the Companies Act. These securities should be compared with schedule showing the particular of security, their number, cost price, etc. at the end of year. Next one, vouching sale. If some of the investment have been sold since the date of the balance sheet, but prior to the date of audit, the auditor should vouch the proceed either in the cash book or the bank passbook. Next one, audit of investment. Auditing of investment. While auditing the investment of banking company, the auditor should inspect investment of the bank and the security lodged with the bank against loans and advance. If the bank has lodged its investment with some other party, receipt given by such a party for investment lodged should be examined, paying special attention to the following. First, that the certificate or the receipt states that the security lodged are free from any kind charge. Second, that the provision of the Banking Company Regulation Act 1949 are complied with. Third one, that the detail of the investment are comparable with the investment register maintained by the bank. 4. That if the investment are held by the nominee of the bank, the farmer has clearly stated that he hold this investment on the behalf of the bank. 7. The investment are properly valued and shown in the balance sheet according to the Banking Companies Regulation Act 1949. 9 number, classification of investment. Along with the nature of investment and mode of valuation of investment, different classes of investment must be shown under separate heading as follows. Investment in government or trust securities. investment in share debenture or bonus showing separately share fully paid up and partly paid up, and also distinguishing the different classes of share and showing also detail of investment in share debenture or bonds, subsidiary companies, immovable properties, etc. Next one, mention of quoted and unquoted investment. The auditor should mention the aggregate amount of company quoted investment and also the market value thereof, along with the aggregate amount of company unquoted investment. A list of investments separately classifying paid investment and other investment should be attached to the balance sheet, stating the name of books bodies corporate with the name of their meaning agent or secretaries and treasurers, if any, in whose name share debentures, bonds or investment have been made, and also staying the amount in respect of each item. It shall not be necessary to give such particular. Under that, first, in respect of investment made by managing agency companies in managed company, share debenture or bonds. Second, in respect of investment made by investment company, however particular, in respect of investment in share of private company shall be given. The amount in respect of the holding by investment companies in unquoted share of private limited company shall be separately stated. Specifying the name of each company and the amount invested therein, while quoted investment means an investment in respect of which there has been guarantee, a quotation or permission to deal on recognized stock exchange, and the expression unquoted investment is constructed accordingly. Next one, mention of interest acquired on investment. Any interest on investment calculated from the date of to which it was last received to the date of the balance sheet will be mentioned under this deed. 12 number, mention of investment in share debenture of a subsidiary. These should be verified with the help of documentary evidence. Example, share certificate or debenture, deed or lodgement certificate. If the securities have pledged with the anybody like banks, etc., the reason for such lodgement and competence of the party keeping the securities in its safe custody should be inquired. The existence should be verified from the receipt of dividend or interest thereon. The investment should be valued at cost. The auditor should see that unless there is a substantial fall in the value of share, the method of valuation is consistently followed from year to the year. Security must also stated in the name of the client. Last, interest paid out of capital during construction. Interest paid out of capital during construction under section 208 of the Companies Act. The interest paid of the share capital of a company during the construction of its works can be capitalized to plant or construction of work provided that such company is authorized to do so by its article or by special resolution. It should be checked that previous sanction of the central government has been obtained and the rate of interest does not exceed 4% and that such payment is not made beyond the period as is determined by the central government. The atom of interest, if any, paid out of capital during construction should be separately shown on the asset side of the balance sheet which must also indicate the share capital and the rate at which such interest has been paid during each period. Where such interest is paid, all the requirement of the Act in his connection should be duly complied with. यानंतर पुढील भाग पुढील लेक्चरला. धन्यवाद.